let's see if I can get it to act up for you. All I did was step out. I mean, I had been inside, left it inside a heated house for probably an hour now. Filled up the magazine, threw in, you know, all the BBs to do a quick little shoot, and after a few shots on semi, and then flipping it over to burst fire, trying to shoot up a can, it still did that little it'll just toss out BBs on the end of a 3-round burst. Go full auto for maybe 6-7 rounds. It'll be just kind of burping BBs at the end. And dry firing it would make it just do the same thing pretty much. You know, you could tell whenever it would do it. I mean, it's not even a, it's not even a cold mag. It's been warm and pretty much full. Yeah. See, it was going fine. Then it did that catch. You know, it's like not consistent. Every once in a while, just be herder for a little bit, and then that right there. I mean, why does it do that? I understand that it needs to evacuate the valve, and the hammer just kind of sits there for a while. But as much gas as it shoots out at the end, it should have enough to rack it back again. Because all that it has to take for the hammer to be cocked. There. Yeah, so you can see it. Set it semi. Yeah, just barely long enough. There. That's it. That's as far as it needs to go. There. That much. It doesn't take much for it to go back that much. So there should be at least some kind of stop. I mean, as much gas as it spits out, it should be able to pull it back that far. See on this. See that second shot? It goes pop, 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 pop. That shouldn't happen. I mean, yesterday, granted the bolt was probably frozen. It was just spewing out, you know, white gas, and it shouldn't be doing that. Is this common for gas blowbacks? I don't know. I don't have one. Don't own one. I just have this, and so far I'm confused, perplexed, going, what the fuck is this? It shouldn't be doing that, but it's doing that. Sure, it's cold to most people. There's no wind. It's, I don't even know what temperature it is. I know it was sleeting 30 minutes ago. It didn't stick. It just sat on the cars for a little bit. But anyway, when the mag's warm and full, and the bolt itself is warm, it shouldn't be acting up, but it is. And I'm really not sure what I think about this. So far, I'm not happy. I would have rather had my BAR, but you know how the fuck that goes.